Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sobia Suhail is here. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hopefully, you all are doing well. So, today I want to explain in this video specifically algebraic expression. Before this one, I have explained almost question number 1 to 9 in my previous videos. And this in this video specifically, I will explain two questions, question number 10 and question number 11. They both are same, and there is only one case which is being discussed over here. So let me write down the expression first. First fraction is 3 by x minus 6. Second is x minus 2 equals to 10 over x minus 4. And question number 11 is 3 by x minus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 equals to 4 over x. If you look properly, these both are almost same. In both of these questions, you have to solve the algebraic expressions, and they both have denominator as algebraic expressions also. They are not like the normal number. In this case, what we have to do, check if the denominators are common or not common. They both are totally not common. There is no any common factor out of these two. So it means in this one, we will simply do cross multiplication. We will take help from the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication. Okay, in this one, this denominator multiply up and down over here, and this denominator multiply up and down over here. So I will suggest write down the question again. 3 over x minus 6 with the brackets. Keep the space. 7 over x minus 2 with the brackets. Now this denominator, we said that multiply up and down over this fraction. Okay, to make the denominator common, we are multiplying x minus 2 up and x minus 2 down. Now x minus 6 multiply up and down with this fraction, x minus 6 and x minus 6. Okay, check both the denominators are same, x minus 2 here, x minus 6 here, both are same. This side of the equation will stay as it is, because you cannot solve numerator, you cannot solve denominator at this step, so keep them as it is. I will put the bracket around them. Next, what we can do, as the denominator is same, so we will write once. Okay, numerator we will collect. As we are collecting the numerator, whether you can collect as it is or do the simplification as well. So I will suggest that better do the simplification in the same step. Okay, so simplification means 3 is multiplying with this, so 3 times x, 3x, minus 3 times 2, 6, plus 7 times x, 7x, minus 7 times 6, 42. It's okay. Next is equals 10 over x minus 4. At this step, I want to do again cross multiplication. Now the cross multiplication I want to do to change the fraction into the linear form. Okay, so this whole denominator I want to send or shift on the other side. This whole denominator I want to send on the other side, but before I will put the bracket. In the shifting, I want to do shifting as well as the simplification also. Okay, so first I will write this one. Writing this one, I will solve that also, because the like terms are there. So 3x and 7x solve together as 10x. Let me take out the pencil so I can mention that 3x and 7x can be changed to they're solving together because they both are like terms. So 3x plus 7x giving you 10x, minus 6 and minus 42 giving you minus 48. Okay, now this number we said it will multiply with this number, so this will go with that. What I do, I shift this denominator to multiply with this expression, and in the same step I solve this expression also. Now equal sign 10 is here, numerator. Now this is going up, and when it is going up, I want to solve this also before writing here. Now this is a binomial expression, and I told you binomial expression simply solved by FOIL method, x minus 6, x minus 2. Okay, what is the FOIL method? Multiply these two, x square, multiply these two, minus minus plus, 6 2s are 12. Then multiply these two, plus minus minus 2x, multiply these two, plus minus minus 6x. Okay, so I will write it over here. This is FOIL, FOIL method. So write down here x square minus 2x and minus 6x. We can write as minus 8x because they are like terms, plus 12. Okay, try to understand this step because in the same step we can do so many simplifications. Okay, what is that? This I simplified this in this form, and then I multiply with this denominator, multiply with this numerator. Okay, I write 10 and then I shift this over here, and shifting I solve that also. Okay, after that we will multiply. Again the same multiplication we do with FOIL method. Write down it over here, and x minus 4 again with the FOIL method, like 10x square, 4 of 48s are minus minus plus, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16 and 3 19. Now minus 10 4s are 40x minus 48x. They are like terms, so they will be solved. So FOIL method is done here. Again, writing it over here, I will solve that also. Like terms, minus 40 and minus 48 will make minus 88 x. Okay, so plus 192 equals, multiply 10 inside, 10 x square minus 10 8s are 80 x plus 10 12s are 120. Okay, I want to separate this working column. Okay, now across the equality exactly same terms, means same variable, same coefficient, same sign, they can be cancelled. Okay, now remaining these two fractions, the term with the variable we can shift on one side. Okay, so minus 88x, we will bring this term here, it will become plus 80x. Now 120 left here, I will shift this 192 here, it will become negative 192. Okay, 88 minus 88, x sign of minus will be there because this integer was bigger digit. Okay, opposite integer 192 minus 120 will do 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 2 7, sign of minus, 1 minus 1 0. Now x is equals to, so shift the coefficient, complete coefficient we are shifting along with its sign on the other side. Coefficient always multiplying with the variable, when we are shifting on the other side it will divide. So minus and minus plus, plus 8 9s are 72. So this is the answer. Whether you can put the plus sign or you don't want to put the plus sign, that is your choice, no problem. Okay. Now look at this question. This question what we have to, first cross multiplication to make denominator common. Okay, then simplify, then cross multiplication to change the fraction into a linear expression. Okay, then multiply this with FOIL method, multiply this with FOIL method, and then simplify the expression by shifting the like terms on one side of equality and all the constant term on the other side of equality, and separate out the value of x. Okay, same thing we will do over here also. So I will go with a little faster pace, that we have two denominators, they both are different from each other. So first we will do cross multiplication. In this way I will write down this expression as it is with a little space, write down this expression also as it is. Now this will multiply up and down, this will also multiply up and down. Why we are multiplying up and down? Because the fraction in which numerator and denominator multiplied divide by same number, they are calling equivalent fractions. So we are not changing the fraction, we are keeping their equivalency as it is. Okay. Then what we will do? We will write the denominator once. X minus 1 and x plus 1. And collecting the numerator, we will solve that also. 3 times x, 3x, plus 3 ones are 3, plus 1 x are x, plus minus minus 1 ones are 1, 4 over x. Okay, now 3x plus 1x become 4x, means these two are like term with x, these two are like term with only constant numbers. 3 minus 1, 2, divided by 4 over x. Writing this again, I will suggest you to solve that also by the FOIL method again. X minus 1, x plus 1. So what is the FOIL method? First product x, last minus 1. Outer terms plus x, inner terms minus x. Okay, so this is FOIL. FOIL method is done. Writing it over here, if we check, plus minus cancel, so x square minus 1 left. Okay, now enclose them in the bracket. Cross multiplication done and the denominator is common and it is simplified. Once it is completely simplified, then again do cross multiplication to change the fraction into linear expressions. So x multiply here, 4x plus 2, and 4 multiply x square minus 1. It's okay. Next is x times 4x, 4x square. X multiply x, its power increase. X times 2, 2x. 4 times x square minus 4 ones are 4. Again, exactly same expression across the equality will be cancel out. 2x equals to minus 4. Solving this expression means value of x will be separated out. So keep x here, coefficient shifted on the other side. Coefficient on the other side will divide. So minus 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. So this is the final answer. Okay. So thank you so much. In my next video, I will explain the next part of this same exercise and the next cases which can be solved in an easier way. I can explain that also. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.